Yankee Mike Tango Sierra 2. I've got a suspected stolen blue Fiesta ST, failing to stop. Howard Road East, left onto Vicarage Road. 9 foot to 100 in a 30. It's braking for the bend and it's towards Pershall Road. Medium risk. Stand by, left I think towards Cotteridge.
Delta 57 around the corner. 57.
Distance now, it's got a bit of ground on me at the last junction. Speed is 80 in a 30. It's quite a way ahead of me now, YM, it's a crash at the Kwik Fit Cotteridge.
Kwik Cotteridge, vehicles RTC. Kwik Fit Cotteridge on the Pershall Road.
Stay there, Ned!